let the height BC be h. Then the base AB is 5 over 4h. The perimeter of a rectangle is given by P equals 2 times the sum of AB and BC. Here, P is 72 centimeters. Substituting AB and BC gives us 2 times the sum of 5 over 4h and h equals 72. This simplifies to 2 times the sum of 5 over 4h and 4 over 4h equals 72. Continuing, we find that 2 times 9 over 4h equals 72. This leads us to 9 over 2h equals 72. Now solving for h gives us h equals 72 times 2 over 9, which equals 16. Next, we find AB as follows: AB equals 5 over 4 times 16, which equals 20. Thus, the dimensions are AB equals 20 meters and BC equals 16 meters. This matches option A.